Picture this, a man deeply passionate about menswear with a wardrobe containing over 15 tailored suits, yet on his wrist not a Rolex or Patek Philippe, but a pair of modest-used Seiko watches, each purchased for under $50. In the world of menswear, I think we often see luxury watches paired with fine tailoring in magazines, social media, and so on. But does investing in quality clothes necessarily mean one should spend proportionally on watches too? For me, the answer is a clear no. Today I want to share my personal approach to watches as someone who appreciates men's classic style. My choice comes down to two fundamental aspects. First, the surprising excellence of these Seikos in both design and function. And second, a personal philosophy about lifestyle and consumption that guides many of my decisions. My collection consists of just two watches. The first is the Seiko Deutsche 8J41, purchased second-hand in Japan for approximately $50. Made in Japan and originally sold in 2000, this watch has quietly kept time for 25 years, while maintaining its clean, elegant appearance. The second is the Seiko Solar, made in China, which cost me around $30. While I definitely don't claim expertise in the watch realm, I recognize that Seiko represents a heritage of reliable craftsmanship. The Dolce, with its grassy, restrained design, complements formal attire perfectly. Its subtle presence allows my style, suits, jackets, the true focal points of my dressing, to remain central. Meanwhile, the slightly larger, more robust Solar serves my casual outfits with equal effectiveness. These watches fulfill their purpose without fanfare, which brings me to my second point about lifestyle philosophy. While watches and fine suits are often showcased together in menswear media, I have developed my own approach to accessorizing. For me, watches are just one element among many accessories, like ties, pocket squares, and rings, not necessarily the focal point of an ensemble, with the watch serving as a complementary detail rather than the centerpiece. This perspective becomes particularly relevant when considering the remarkable price disparity. My entire suit collection, though significant to most, would barely purchase one high-end timepiece. Well, some might argue for watches as investments that appreciate while suits depreciate. But this thinking fundamentally misaligns with my approach to possessions. I don't acquire things as financial vehicles, but as objects to be used, enjoyed, and appreciated for what they are. The investment mentality, whether applied to watches, art, or clothing, often shifts focus from appreciation to speculation. Perspective I find somewhat at odds with genuine enjoyment. Of course, if your wallet allows for luxury watches and you deeply enjoy this craftsmanship behind these artworks, you should go ahead and enjoy wearing watches profoundly. I happened to be already pleased with my Seiko watches for now. There's a quiet beauty in caring for a modest object that perfectly serves its purpose. My two Seikos tell time accurately, complement my wardrobe, and do so without demanding excessive attention. Now I'm curious about your perspective. Do you gravitate toward luxury timepieces or find satisfaction in more modest objects? What drives your choices? Share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time.